Hello my dear students, how are you? Today I am here to teach you your lesson number 1 Central Processing Unit Part 2. So here we'll see what are the areas related to your lesson. First one, introduction of CPU. Second one, components of the CPU. Third one, evolution of CPU. And fourth one, speed of the CPU. In this video, you can learn evaluation of CPU and speed of the CPU. Let's go to the lesson. Third one, evolution of Central Processing Unit. The central processing unit of a computer system can be divided into 4 generations based on the electronic technology used to manufacture it. First generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. While the above classification of the CPU is a simple classification only for your understanding in grade 7, in many cases, the evaluation of the CPU has been shown in different generations in diverse ways too. First generation in 1940 to 1956. In this generation, electronic technology used vacuum tube. Power consumption. Large amount of vacuum tubes were used and they emitted a lot of heat was required. A cooling system to control the heat. So, it led to a heavy power consumption. Size of the computer as large as a room. Execution speed measured in milliseconds. Cost. It cost a lot for production and maintenance. Examples for the first generation computer. First one, ENIAC. Electronic Numerical Integrated Computer. Second one, UNIVAC. Universal Automatic Computer. Third one, EDVAC. Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Let's go to second generation in 1956 to 1963. The main electronic technology transistor. Power consumption. Less power consumption when compared with the first generation computers. Size of the computer. Smaller size when compared with the first generation. Execution speed measured in microseconds. Cost. It cost a lot for purchasing. Examples for the second generation computer. IBM 7030. CDC 1604. Let's go to third generation in 1964 to 1971. Main electronic technology is integrated circuit or IC. Power consumption. Less power consumption when compared with the second generation. Size of the computer, smaller size when compared with the second generation. Execution speed, measured in nanosecond. Cost, it cost less for purchasing when compared with the second generation. Examples for third generation computer: IBM 360, CDC 6600. Let's go to fourth generation in 1971 to date. Electronic technology used the microprocessor. Power consumption, less power consumption when compared with the third generation. Size of the computer, smaller size when compared with the third generation. Execution speed, measured in picosecond, MIPS, million of instruction per second. Cost, it costs less for purchasing when compared with the third generation. Examples for fourth generation computers are modern computers. Look at this image. Now you can see on the screen millisecond, microsecond, nanosecond and the picosecond. Let's go to the next lesson. Speed of the central processing unit. Speed of the central processing unit, also known as clock speed, is the number of instructions executed in a second. The unit used to measure the speed of the central processing unit is hertz. In modern computers, the unit megahertz or gigahertz is used to measure the speed of the central processing unit. Look at this. Kilohertz, megahertz and gigahertz. Now the times for activity. Look at this. Consider the following sentences. Put tick right for correct sentences and cross for incorrect sentences. First one. Central processing unit holds all the information that is currently used in the memory registers. Second one. Operating system is a main part of central processing unit. Third one, central processing unit is running on the background whenever any task is performed by the computer. Fourth one, clock speed is measured in hertz. Fifth one, control unit is a part of central processing unit. Sixth one, central processing unit is a digital circuit. 7. Control unit performs arithmetic operations. 8. Central processing unit is located on the computer motherboard. Okay, next one. Activity 3. Complete the following table related to evaluation of the central processing unit. First generation, second generation, third generation and the fourth generation. You want to write main technology used, electricity consumption and unit which measure processing speed. Activity 4. Name the technology used to construct the central processing unit for following computers. Now the times for revision. Underline the correct answer. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit, Computer Processing Unit, Central Program Unit, Central Processing Utility. Question number 2. Which of the following is not part of the CPU? Control unit, ALU, register, hard disk. Question number 3. Blank technology was used by third generation. Answers: transistor, vacuum tube, integrated circuits, microprocessor. Last question. Processor speed is measured in megahertz, gigabyte, megabyte, nibbles. Now you can clearly understand what is the Central Processing Unit. Please write down the answers on your ICT writing book. Okay, loving students, see you again next day. Goodbye.